everyone, welcome to Lectures by Aparna. This is the introduction video on control systems. Control theory is something that is applied to various fields like engineering, economics, sociology, biology, etc. We are discussing here only the engineering side of control theory. Control theory is mainly used in industrial processes. For example, controlling the pressure, temperature, humidity, viscosity, flow, etc. in process industry. So when you consider the term control system, let us start with the portion system. When a number of components are connected in particular sequence to perform a specific function, the group thus formed is called a system. So if you consider the system as a single block, it will be like this. There will be an input and an output to it. The input quantity is called command signal or excitation. The output quantity is called the response of the system. Now when we consider control system, the aim of this system is to control specific parameters like pressure, temperature, etc. Two main types of systems coming in control theory are open loop control system and closed loop control system. First let us see open loop control system. This is a block diagram of open loop control system. Plant in engineering terms refer to heavy machinery and equipment that is used in industries. That plant will be having an input and an output. So in open loop control system, you get the output when you give an input. But this output is not given back to the input again for any corrections. That is, any physical system which does not correct the variations coming in its output is called an open loop system. In open loop system, the output can be varied by varying the input. But when an external disturbance comes, the output may change. So these output changes due to the disturbances. They cannot be controlled by changing the input. So this is how variations come in the output of open loop system. These variations cannot be corrected in open loop system. So for that we use closed loop system. Closed loop control system is a modified open loop control system. Here a feedback is given from output to the input. This feedback is given to correct the changes in the output coming due to external disturbances. This is an error detector. This reference input, it actually corresponds to the desired output that you need. So whatever desired value of output you need, you give here. So the feedback path element, which is usually a sensor, it collects the samples of the output and those samples are given to the error detector. This error detector calculates the difference between the feedback signal and the reference input. So whatever desired output you need, this error detector calculates the difference between that desired output and the output which you actually got. So that difference will be calculated and it will be calculated as the error signal. That signal will be given to the controller. So the controller will correct the error by sending an actuating signal to the plant. And the plant will give the desired output level. In this combination, the output of the control system is adjusted automatically till we get the desired response. So a closed loop control system is also known as feedback control system or automatic control system. So these are some initial concepts of control system. If this video has helped you, please do subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.